Okay, so we've got wrist mobility. What I need to start with is put your hands on the floor. I'm just going to reach on forwards and stretch on up. Keep going until you feel it. Reach on back again. You can go both sides, opposite way as well. Stretch in, reach on back. Do this all the way around. Heel in. Alternatively, what you can do, put your arm out, almost like a fist. Keep this nice and limber and numb. Relax the wrist. Gently pull from the front of the knuckles. Work on that forearm as well. Like that. The last one you can do, inner forearm. Relax again. Pretend you're asking for food. Turn it to the side. You're going to pull the last 3 fingers. So not the index or the thumb, because they're not connected to the muscle we want to work. It's these 3. And you're going to pull gently towards you, and you'll stretch all there as well. So again, ask like you're asking for food. Last 3. Stretch out those wrists. And inner forearm. That's it.